don't lean forward, it's going to get all over you and it's going to be fucking gross and sticky. So you lean forward and hold it vertically. The last thing, number 3, is how it glugs into your mouth. If you crack the side open just like a regular can, it's going to glug into your mouth and you won't have to suck. So make sure to crack the can, hold it vertically, lean over, and then chug it. Okay, are we all ready?
Science.
Ready to do this?
And Cass loves her whole beer.
Cass's whole beer's on the deck.
Oh my god.
Now this is to like
Beer in this can.
The cool wins.
Alright.